going to start with the C over G chord. Third fret on the low E with the third finger, third fret on the A with the pinky, second fret on the D with the second finger, open G, first fret on the B string with the first finger, high E string is open, and the strumming pattern is going to be down, up, down, up, and we're in 3/4 here, so 1, 2, and 3, down, up, down, we've got 2 bars of this, down, up, down, down, up, down. We're going to move fingers 3 and 4 down a string set. You can leave the second finger on if you want because it's not going to be there, but I generally take it off anyway. And we're going to go to an F major 7 sus 2 chord. So we have 3 on the A, 3 on the D, open G, first fret on the B, and an open high E string. Strumming is the same again, down, up, down, up. Before we go back after 1 bar to the C over G, down, up, down, up. Second bar here after we come back to this chord, there's a little hammer on from open on the first strum down. That's on the D string from open to second fret. Okay, so far we've got C over G, down, up, down, 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 the F chord, up, down, up, C, down. We're then going to have 2 more bars of C over G. The first bar is down, up, and then sometimes we'll play the second bar as down, up, down, up, as a little lead into our next chord, the A minor chord. So it'll be C, down, up, down, 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 and then to an A minor chord, second fret on the D, second fret on the G, first fret on the B, down, up, to an E minor flat 13 chord. Really strange chord, but these 2 fingers, 2 and 3, are going to go up a string set to second fret on the A, second fret on the D, and we're going to leave the first finger on the B string of the first fret here. Same strumming again. Sounds weird on its own, but nice in the progression. And then we go back to that F major 7 sus 2 chord. Same strumming. Before we go to C over G for 4 more bars, down, up, down, the hammer on in the second bar, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, and then we'll repeat the whole section there. So we've got the C chord, F, C, hammer on, slower, C, F, C, hammer on, A minor, E minor, F, C over G. On the third time through the verse, the chord progression is exactly the same except for the last 2 bars. When we go to our C over G on the third bar of the C over G towards the end of the verse pattern, we'll strum it once, 1, 2, and then on the and 3 and the 3 and, 2 and 3 and are all mute strums, and then we'll go to the second bar, 1 and 2 and 3 and. So it's C over G, 1, 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. And these mute strums will take us to our next chord, this G chord. So we play C over G, all the mutes, taking us to our G chord. For the chorus, we do have this G chord. It's actually pretty much the same shape as that F major 7 with the sus 2, but with the second finger added and moved up 2 frets. So the thumb is going to play the 3rd fret on the low E string. If you can't get the thumb over, you can just leave it out. It's not a problem at all. Then we've got the 3rd finger on the 5th fret of the A, the pinky finger on the 5th fret of the D, second finger on the 4th fret of the G, and the first finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. Strumming is exactly the same again, and we have this for 2 bars, down, 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 down. Then we're going to move this shape down 2 frets, so it's like our F major 7 sus 2, but we're going to keep the second finger down on the chorus chord here, and this is just like an F over C chord, and we've got down, down, up. Go into our C over G chord, down, down. Okay, so G, down, 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 F, C. We'll then repeat this again, G, F. Then we're going to stay on the C over G chord and strum down, down. Go into that F major 7 sus 2 chord, that's the one without the second finger, and leave that to ring for a whole bar before we've got this little pattern 3 times. It's strum down, down. And on the up, we're going to kind of hit the E and B strings, and then the G and B strings. 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and. Okay, so just from that C over G part. 2, 3. We'll then go to an A minor chord and strum down, down, up, into a G sus4 for 1 beat. So it's down, down, up on the A minor. G sus4 is 3rd fret on the low E, and we've got the 1st fret on the B string. The A string is muted by this finger here. Before we move back to our F major 7 sus2 chord for 6 bars. Down, 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 down. For the final 2 bars, we'll move up to that G bass chord with the thumb over the top on the 3rd fret there. We'll go down, 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 before we move back to the verse. So the whole chorus is G, F, C, G, F, C, C, F. We'll leave it to ring. We've got that little pattern. I'm going to go to that quick A minor switch. 6 bars of that F major 7 sus2 chord before going to our G.